Hello viewers, we'll be going over gold miners, ticker symbol GDXJ. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week, and we'll be going over how I developed my trade idea. So let's start off with the technical analysis for GDXJ. So on the 1 hour chart, we are approaching to negative MACD after being overbought on Monday. As for the 4 hour chart, what we have here is we bounce right off the 18 moving average, this purple line, and we start to see a divergence in play for the 4 hour MACD, and we were at also overbought on the RSI. If we expand that further onto daily chart, what we have here is we're still at overbought on the daily RSI. We see no signs of it diverging, so the momentum is still to the upside, and this bottom range could act as our immediate support. And if we take a look at our trade idea of the week, that will be our entry point for a long position, and that is around a price of $57.99, or say $58. And the stop loss for that long position will be, say, $55.89, so slightly below, right here around this range, and the sell target will be $64.84. On the other hand, if I do want to take a short position, I would take it at a higher price at around $67.17, which is the upper range right here, and for a sell target of $60.25, and the stop loss for that short position is $69.68. And how did I develop these trade ideas? I used the range and the bullish and bearish ratio that comes from the day-by-day probability model. So right here, as we progress to, say, the 5th day or a week of trading, we have a 57% chance for GDXJ to fall between 0 to -7%. And to the upside, we have a 43% chance for it to climb between 0 to 7%. And which one of these 7 models we should use as a reference? First, we'll take a look at the line graph. The blue line is our current trend, and the line overlapping it happens to be the best match. And right here we have our current trend, and the trend below is the one that we found on the line graph above. And this dates back to April 14th to July 11th, 2016. So let's begin comparing both the trends. So we average above the middle Bollinger Band and ended above the middle Bollinger Band. We have 1, 2, 3 points, and on the trend in question, we also have 1, 2, 3 points. So there's reason to believe that the trends and patterns are somewhat the same. The outcome and forecast should be fairly the same. So again, the model that we just examined and found compared was back in April 14th to July 11th, 2016. So we have 1 day out, that will be a Wednesday, and 2 days out will be a Thursday, and so on. So we have 3, 4, and 5 days out. So back then, GDXJ was, say, down roughly around 2.3%. And if we examine the day-by-day probability model, that coincides with this standard deviation of 57% chance for it to fall between 0 to -7.3% in the next coming days. If we examine closer on the technical performance of each trend, on the current trend, we're 0% away from a monthly high, up 34% from a monthly low, up 10% from 10 simple moving average, up 16% from 20-day simple moving average, and up 28% from 50-day simple moving average. Compare that to the trend in the past that we just found. Back then, 0% away from a monthly high, up 35% from a monthly low, up 9% from 10 simple moving average, up 16% from 20-day simple moving average, and up 22% from 50-day simple moving average. So among the two trends, there are technical similarities among them. And these models are available in the link below, so do check it out. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.